for Team Kabu, number 14, Bro Tony, number 25, Buhawi, number 6, Dandoy, Aldrich, and Sir Rod. Nakuha ni Galviso ang bola. No good, rebound by Bersafoul. Aldrich now, pass to Gandoy, good for 2. Superales to Galviso.
15 seconds to shoot.
Galviso drive. 2 points for number 16, Galviso. 2 points for Gandoy. 10 second shot clock. Superales to Kanya. To Udduhan. Good for 2, Udduhan. Buhawi. The Milo. To Ron. 15 second shot clock. Buhawi for 3 points. Buhawi. Galviso drive. Stay by Tago. To Ron. Good for 2. Ron, number 19. 1 out. Galviso drive. Number Tago dribbling the ball. Steal by Galviso. To Superales. Fast break. Good for 2. Superales. Adelia for 3. No good. Rebound by Tony.
Nice one.
2 points. 1-4. Nagmamadali. To Aldrich. Drive. Good for 2. Tago.
Balik.
Superales. Pass to Galviso. Back to Superales. No good. Rebound by Udduhan. To Galviso. 5 second shot clock. Galviso. 2 points. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound by Udduhan. Pass to Superales. 2 points. Galviso.
Patasan na sila ron.
10 seconds remaining time. 5 seconds remaining time.
For 5. No good. Rebound by Hanuman. Allah. Valencia, good for 2.
Di lang. Di na ma-appeal sa video.
2 points for Mentera.
Minutes remaining time. 15 seconds to shoot.
Kanto, parang igaw ganito.
Anos.
10 seconds to shoot.
Still by Uy. Vince to Formentera. Back. No, wala boss. Saan yung say? Zamora. To Palencia. Palencia to Caleb. 2 points. Caleb. Still by Zamora. Zamora drives. 2 points again for number 18, Caleb.
35 seconds remaining.
But step down.
Fifteen seconds to shoot.
Pavel.
Sean Caleb. Kuha ni Zamora. 2 points. Number 10, Zamora.
Biha, oy.
Drive. 2 points. Maden, number 18. Adwincula to Zamora. To Caleb. No good. Rebound again by Caleb. Basket down. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Bonac.
15 seconds to shoot.
Bonac drives to Formentera. 2 points, Formentera. Manos to
15
Zamora.
seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot.
Zamora for 3 points, Zamora. 2 points, Vince. First throw is good for Sean Caleb. Bonac drives. Tirao good for 2, number 23. Zamora now dribbling the ball, guarded by Mabel. Zamora pass to Palencia. Palencia drives. Nice pass. 2 points for Mr. Sean Caleb. Caballero. Steal by Palencia. Palencia. Good for 2. Vince now. Pass
20
to
seconds
Caballero.
remaining time.
Oh, good. Rebound by Vince.
15 seconds remaining time.
To Caballero. Back to Vince. Basket down.
12 seconds remaining time.
Tony drives. No good. Rebound by Galviso. Pass break for Udtuhan. 2 points. Udtuhan.
Wow, na-shoot ko ano eh. Buhawi eh.
Buhawi now guarded by Udtuhan. Buhawi.
15
Pass
seconds to
Vince. Vince for 3. No good. Rebound by Galviso. Galviso. Pass to Udtuhan. To Superales. To Sordilia. Sordilia. No good. Rebound by Buhawi. Sige ko.
15
Edward,
seconds to shoot.
Formentera. Pass to Gambino. Kuha niyo Tuhan. Tuhan. Perales.
5 siya, 5.
Steal. 2 points. Gambino.
15 seconds to shoot.
Two points. Vince. Lead.
Fifteen seconds to shoot.
Sordilia. To Superales. No good. Rebound by Peteros. 2 points. Number 5 Peteros. Vince to
15 seconds to shoot.
to Buhawi. No good. Rebound by Sordilia. Pass to Superales. 2 points. Udtuhan. Peteros. Peteros.
15 seconds to shoot.
Udtuhan. Tuhan for 2. No good. Rebound by Sordilia. Good for 2. Sordilia. Looking for his companions.
15 seconds to shoot.
Buhawi for 3. No good. Rebound by Sordilia. Sordilia. Udtuhan. Tubo. Ito Galviso. Galviso to Superales. Good for 2. Superales. First throw good. 2 for 2 by Tago.
15 seconds to shoot.
Blocked by Tago for 3. Buhawi
15 seconds to
Tago. Tago. Still by Superales. Superales lays. Good for 2. Superales. Bring the ball. Galviso to Superales. Superales for 3. No good. Rebound by Sordilia. Sordilia. No good. Rebound by Tago. Tago. Tago, steal. Nakuha ni Buhay, Buhay fakes. No good, rebound by Gabiso to Sordilla, steal by Tago. Tago for save. And three.
Time.
Galbiso dribbling the ball. Galbiso, sumaksak. No good, rebound by Tago. Tago to Vince, to Buhawi, to Vince. Good for two. Superales, looking for his companion, pass to Piteros.
10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining.
Score 49-49.
End of the third quarter.
Pass to Kanya, to Sordilla, Sordilla sumaksak. Good for two, Sordilla. Bona pass to Buhawi. Back to Bona.
15
Bona to
seconds.
Tago. Tago fake, Tago for three. No good. Rebound by Buhawi. Buhawi to
10
Bona.
seconds to shoot.
To Krebs. Krebs sumaksak. No good. Rebound pa rin ni Krebs. Krebs. Good for two.
Na, dindatin yung dua ron.
Three. John Hill Kanya.
Oh, dribbling the ball. Pass. To Bona.
15 seconds to shoot.
Nag-table, pass to Tago.
10 seconds to shoot.
Tago to Mira.
3.
Yo, naguba ang iyang lock. Iyang grip, di na mo grip.
One kulang to Galbiso. Galbiso
15 seconds to shoot.
to Advincula. Advincula for three. No rebound by Barlan. Rebound pa rin ni Barlan to Galbiso. Galbiso shoots. And one.
Low.
Aldridge Tago.
Bonak now dribbling the ball. Pass to Tago. Tago. To Buhawi.
15 seconds to shoot.
Drives. Pass back to Tago. Three. No good. Rebound by Zamora. Pass to Superales. Perales. No good. Rebound by Galbiso. 2 points. Galbiso. Gambino.
10
Post
seconds
move.
to shoot.
No good. Rebound by Peteros. Pass to Superales. Good for two. Number 4, Tuha. Bonak inbound to Permentara, steal by Galbiso. Galbiso to Superales. 2 points. Galbiso.
Remaining time. 15 seconds to shoot.
For Tuhan. 2 points for Tuhan.
Remaining time.
11-point lead for Team Dennis Shoes.
15 seconds to shoot.
Rebound by Sordilla. Superales. Code Tuhan. Back to Superales. 2 points.
2 minutes, 30 seconds.
No good. Rebound by Superales to Galbiso. Oh. 2 points. Galbiso. Rebound by Galbiso. Code Tuhan.
Good for two. For two. 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining time. 10 seconds to shoot. Good for two.
Superales.
10 seconds to
To
shoot.
Kanya. No good. Rebound by Sordilla.
Ten.
Superales. 2 points.
20 seconds. 15 seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining.
Dol. Palayo lang ako sa mga bawang.
And on the ball.
61-76, final score.